In this video, I will show you how to find your routing number on the Fifth Third app. So there are basically two ways. The first one is to first open the Fifth Third mobile app, then tap on the account, so checking or savings for which you need the routing number, and select account details, or view account and routing number. Then your routing number will be displayed along with your account number. Now, Fifth Third's most common routing number is the one you see there, and for Ohio residents, some accounts may use the one you see there. Now, you want to make sure that it is the same for you as well, but these are the most common ones. Now, an alternative way to find your routing number is to check a paper check, so the routing number is the first 9-digit number on the bottom left. Also through online banking, so log in at their website, go to your account and click account details, or call customer service at the phone number you see here, although they may also change that in the future. So just search for the Fifth Third customer service phone number and ask for your routing number. So now you know how to find your routing number on the Fifth Third mobile app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.